Let's check the daily. Do we have any news come out today? Yeah, we're just gonna have sideways today. Looks like we're kind of like rounding off until we either break up or down now. And then the 4 hour, we fill that gap from yesterday on the Qs. We do have some liquidity up here though. I don't know if we'll take it out now. Could be for another day or another time frame, but I think right now that was it on the 15 minute. So I may grab a couple of shorts. Yeah, this is being recorded. Hopefully it works. This is day two of this account. I'll probably aim just to make like 1,000 maybe today, or I'll see. Yeah, I'm not really decided to one direction right now. It's just gonna be choppy. So I'll take one short. Or two micro, sorry.
Order filled.
Grab one micro at 409. I can quickly get out of this. $19 for first trade.
Order filled. Order filled.
Grab another one again if it goes back here. Enough shorting as we tap the trend line. I mean, we're kind of tapping right now, if that's what you're asking. We swept the liquidity of the first point so far. So I think it's definitely for scalps. I think right now is a little bit better for shorts, but we can grab more. I would have like a tight stop in case we do keep going. Oh, so far that was a good entry. I should have held a runner. I just missed out another $50. Let's see if this sweeps this 5 minute. Yeah, I should have put one right there. This 5 minute just swept that wick, so I'm just gonna play the range. What's the best firm to learn futures? Part two. Um, Honestly, they're all good. Like I mainly for the past 2 years mainly use Top Step, Trade Day, and my funded futures, and then just this week I started with Purdia Pro, Bulinux, and Tradeify. So those three I've never tried till literally Monday of this week. But honestly, the first three I mentioned, they've been all solid. I'm working like on a sheet to basically mention like the pros and cons of each one, but honestly, like they're all good. I think those three for beginners, I wouldn't complain about them.
Order filled.
Now this 5 minutes for me. I'm gonna get out of this one quickly. I don't want to hold these for too long. So I grabbed this long here based on this 5 minute wick. I'm just gonna get out quickly for like $20 profits. Yeah, so usually I would actually recommend Top Step just for their platform. Like Trade this sucks. However, their platform, a lot of firms are now adapting it.
Order filled.
I'm just gonna hold there 1 sec. A lot of new firms are now adapting them. Sorry, not new ones, but for example, like Trade Day, they just started using Platform X. I think literally like last month or something. And I know Tradeify is also planning on grabbing it. Buell and X is also using their platform. Those three all use that platform, and honestly, it's really good. It's much better than this garbage. If you see me trade on Top Step, you'll know why I like that platform so much better. As soon as you enter, you can automatically like just set TP and stop loss. You can do that here too, but it's more difficult to set up. It's not user friendly. And also, I think, if I'm not mistaken, if you have copy accounts, so I'm pretty you can't have, but let's say Tradeify, you can have up to 5 accounts, which I do have now. I don't think you're allowed to copy trade on them. So Platform X, I think, is the best for copy trading and just overall like beginner friendly for to trade. All right, 5 minutes open. I'll grab one more long here. I don't like this 5 minute open. It's a little bit iffy. So these would just be quick scalps to the long side. Unless this 5 minute bounces back and reclaims. Yeah, any firm that has Platform X, I automatically choose. Trade of A is not good. I mean, it works and all, but it's not beginner friendly, like I said. You'll follow future trade settings, see if it's visible, viable, similar options. So I've said this before, but you can technically take some of these trades on options. So I'm on NQ, right? MNQ correlates with QQQ. If you look at the 1 minute, here's the 1 minute on QQQ, identical to um to NQ, right? I don't want to take this anymore. This 5 minute retraced 50%. So let's say I'm logging 2138 right here on NQ. That'll be about 518.8 on Qs. You can just choose whatever strike, whatever expiration. I mean, ideally, like in the money or very close in the money. And then let's say I close at this 5 minute high, whatever. You can do the same thing. But I obviously won't be monitoring like the option price, so that will be up to you. If I took that long, you can just take 519 calls, like 0 TTA, I guess, and just close at the high. Tradeovate lets you trade on TradingView? I did not know that. I've actually never traded on TradingView. I've just only ever used it for charting. Actually, I think I'm gonna take it. Is my audio working? Hello?
Order filled.
Yeah, Nova. So if you're on a combine, or sorry, if you're on Top Step and you're on a combine, as soon as you enter a micro, you can set the TP to automatically be 15 bucks. That's what I would do. So as soon as you enter a trade, just put TP 15 bucks.
Order filled.
You do 10 trades like that, it's $150. With just one micro. And obviously, if you scale in, you can be more aggressive. So I just got two micros. I'm just gonna get out $38 profit here. Am I muted? You guys might need to restart Discord. I don't know. Order filled is all you need to hear, anyways. All right, new 5 minutes open. This 5 minute actually doesn't look too bad. You can probably continue higher. I'm not gonna add to this. Maybe not anymore. Let's see, let's close it. Yeah, I'm not gonna add any more in case this 5 minute starts closing above this. I could add one to average in and get our break even. Let's just see. But this 5 minute may grab one here just to average down and get out and your break even. You guys want me to restart the stream? No one can hear me? Oh shit, the music. I forgot about the music. One sec. Why is music so loud? What? I have it very low. It's like almost the lowest, man. Better. I can barely hear you now. Man, you guys suck, bro. Leave me alone. This 5 minute closes.
Order filled.
Sure, it might still work out, but I want a better entry than that. So that's why I got our break even. Only like $60 today. We are kind of turning on 1 minute so far. So usually on the 15 minute, when I see a big wick like this, definitely more short biased, but it could continue trending up. It just depends on the next candlestick closure. You can do this on the 5 or 15 minute, maybe not the 5, the 15 minute on this one. So if this 15 minute, keeps making higher high closures than the previous one, we may end up waking above that. But it really depends on this closes, which needs 5 minutes now. And honestly, I mean that's kind of fine, but that's 40 points. Even with micros, that's kind of dangerous. So if I had to stop here, I don't want to get stopped out 40 points higher. So it's a little bit dangerous to hold until then. That's why I'd rather just get on break even and then see what happens. I can hear him fine button. Okay. I can restart the stream if you guys want me to. Alright, let me restart stream. Is that better now? Okay, cool. And this actually looks pretty long, so I'm gonna try to there. About 1 minute instantly made a MSS. Grab a couple longs
Order filled.
and just sell maybe that 5 minute high, previous one.
Order filled.
I may take one more actually. Let's do 3 minutes. I think 1,000 may have to be a little bit aggressive. I want to do this within like 2 hours.
Order filled.
That's hilarious. It's 30 minutes window here. So we'll be fine. I wanted to grab an extra micro, but I'm already in 3. I should average in slowly, but it's fine. This here would have been a good ad. Alright, that was the 30 minute. Pretty good still. Let's probably scale out one here, maybe. So this will look above this, and then I might just get out of this if I don't get filled. This will be about $98 if I get filled here. Alright, back above that. Or should have scaled one out here. Actually, I'm just gonna put this point here. So many candles are holding for now, so we should see a continuation. Could have gone like one out though, so I could have re-added. So I'll leave one ahead for now.
Order filled.
theoretically, you could do minis. You could pass a lot quicker, but that's not the goal. With micros, it's better for traders to learn how to trade. If I was doing minis now, and I would have got like stuck at a bad position, I couldn't be adding. And plus, you don't need to pass in like 1 or 2 days. I would honestly take a little bit longer to pass them. This is not looking good for me. Just want to see this 5 minute keep pulling above here. This 5 minutes was closing below here, and that's not good. This 5 minute is about to close in 30 seconds. Why I shouldn't be doing 5 micros though.
Order filled.
I might close this pretty heavy. I should start scaling out in 7 minutes. No, I really still think we're gonna sweep these 1 minute wicks here. I don't want to hold all 5 myself. Let's see if I can get this. If I do get filled, I'll be almost $200. If we were doing minis, you couldn't be scaling it like this. You'd be using too much margin. What do you prefer? When scalping, like I guess 1 minute all the way to like the hourly. Uh, Minimum 2 charts. Have like either the 5 and 15 minute, 1 and 5 minute. But like in the beginning of the stream, I usually just like going down from the daily all the way down to the 5 minute. Just pretty much get a better picture. But when scalping, just have to shorter time frames, side by side. I should have been sizing out break even, just re-adding lower. I just don't think we're gonna break to the downside yet, which is why I was kind of holding to sweep these 1 minute wicks first. But this is not a good trade. I should have just been getting out break even, re-adding lower instead of holding this. On the 5 minute, like we're still holding pretty much the support we built up after this candle. I don't think we're gonna sweep any of these lows. We'll probably sweep these first. Hopefully we can get right now. See that's the good thing about using micros. Like if I had minis, like imagine if I had like 2, 3, 4 minis, I would have been panicking really, really badly right here. Because I would have been down like 1,500, 2 grand. So being down like 150 bucks is a lot different than 1,500. Alright, this 5 minute closes in 30 seconds. I really think we should sweep these pretty soon. Especially if this 5 minute closes here. Basically above these candles, these 5 minute opens. $5 higher.
Order filled.
Alright, that's 250 so far. Can we back to 21440? I think it is possible now. Like I said, as long as the 15 minute keeps making higher highs, the closures, we can slowly keep grinding back up. Five-minute has support until we get a 5 minute closure below like these opens. So once we get like a 5 minute close like around here, and then we might start breaking down to the downside. Until then, we can keep grinding up for now. Mr. M, I mean, that's why I use micros. Like, even if you get a bad entry, you can always average in. Just always start with one micro, and then like every, I don't know, 2, 3 minutes, try to add micro. Like right now, there's sideways action. I don't see a reason to get stopped out. I'm gonna grab just one micro here. Two. That's about like 50%. This 5 minute candle retracement. Maybe that was it. Do you think we're headed higher at the moment? I don't know if we are. I just think it's more likely. It's not until we get a 5 minute closure like below these that the trend will start changing. Right now we're holding. pushed up. We keep getting like 5-minute push-ups, and so these are kind of like order blocks. You can think of them. We keep waking back to these order blocks, and we're holding until we get a 5-minute closure below
Order
these.
filled.
Then I'll be a change of direction. All right, looks like I long 2. Just gonna get out of these quickly. It's $35. So if this 5-minute closes below here, I would be. Yeah, I'll probably get out either a break even or take a loss. But until then, there's no need. This 5-minute just retrace this whole candle now. I'll add one more.
Order filled.
This next 5-minute opens soon. 5 seconds. That'll also be the 15-minute. As right now, it's just drop. This 5-minute didn't close below, so we still didn't get a break of structure yet. This 5-minute is probably gonna retest the opening of this one now. And that's where I'm about to get out. I'm gonna add one more.
Order filled. I'm long Pran. I took 4 long micros here. I'm gonna scale out this 5-minute retracement or sell it. I could probably push a little bit higher. Actually, I'll probably move this up $1. I'll give it $110. If we don't get it fully, this is about 50%, so it's also a good area to scale out. I'm gonna give it a minute or two, see if we can push up. Alright, this 5-minute closes below. That's where I take the loss, but until then, these are just stop hunting.
time I have 3 or more contracts, I should just be scaling out. I don't know why I'm doing this thing. I'm just a bit tired. Because I could have just got out 1 or 2 contracts in the end. Do this 5-minute hit straight. 45 seconds. Sell out. Purdia Pro. Original sell. Yep. These guys are teasing me, man.
Order filled.
Alright, 350 so far. Yeah, but Mr. M, do you see what I mean? Like, this just 3 minutes ago looked pretty scary. But the 5-minute, just a wick below this opening, and then instantly shot back up. So getting stopped out here is stupid until the 5-minute actually closes below. Like, I can understand if you had a mini, I'd be panicking. But if you're in micros, there's no reason to panic. My goal, I mean, I'm going based on this prop firm. So for Purdia, I have a 100K account. I need a minimum of 5 trading days, and I have to make 6,000 total. So you can technically just divide that by 5, and it's 1,200. But it doesn't necessarily have to be exact 1,200. So today, I hit 2,400. I made a stop because I traded on this Monday, and yesterday I did a trade. At 2,400, I'll be at my goal, but it doesn't have to be exactly that.
these option traders actually piss me off. Yeah, there we go, Sub-Zero. Fucking tell them. Alright, sorry, I'm distracted. Yeah, so if this 15 minutes starts like closing this high and I was in shorts, I would be pretty scared. Because the likelihood now of us closing below the next candle is very low. Like there's more likely to continue now higher. The next, we definitely have a lot of people who have stops here. So it would make more sense to like do this sweep first and then reverse, or just continue higher at that point. As long as we keep getting these candles higher on the 5 and 15 minute, I think that's the next target. Like shorting this now is very risky. I would even do it on scalps. How do you know when people have stops? Are you kidding me? That's like the easiest thing to figure out. Just ask yourself where do you have your stop. All retail traders think the same. If you were short right now, where would you have your stop? Wouldn't this wick be the first one? And this? Sorry, what time frame was that? This is the 5 minute. I mean, this wick is the same in 5 and 15 minutes, doesn't matter. Even on the 30 minutes, the same. Great question, retail doesn't have stop. Maybe we can argue that half-half. I don't know. But if they're trading futures too, they're gonna get blown. So they must have a stop, or they're just gonna let their account get blown. Alright, we just swept right now. So now this could either be a sweep, but I would give this a few minutes to see what actually happens. So we can continue higher. Like if I take a short right now, which is guessing this is a sweep in reverse, I can get stuck in this too. So I'd rather just give this like 2-3 minutes, see what happens. Yeah, honestly, I should have probably taken 2 micros here. Just too busy arguing with these guys. Previous day. Yeah, we're almost there. Yeah, that's likely. Even on the 4-hour. You do have these gaps on the 4-hour too. So where would that be on the like 25 points higher? And look, we do have all this liquidity too. I mean, this is all, we have stops all over here. But it doesn't necessarily mean we hit them. Sometimes you only get like 2 or 3 of these stops and then we reverse. Right now, I think this is like a no trade zone. I'll just give this a few minutes, see what happens. do think we're gonna keep going higher just for it's a weird reason, but like I used to always short this like very quickly, like years ago, and I always get stuck. I have a feeling like retail traders all do the same. As soon as they, see a wick that's swept, they instantly start shorting. And this just becomes support instantly. I'm just comparing myself to how I used to trade a few years ago. I probably would have shorted instantly and just got stuck. Then I'll be panicking, trying to get out break even, and it never comes back. You shorted? Oh my god. It's even a scalp on micro. It's not been good trade unless you got all like instantly like 3 points lower. I actually may take one long here. Just kind of like see what happens. Just one micro though. And right now, if I do get filled, I'll just sell it to high or a little bit higher if I get filled. It's missed me by.
Order filled.
Alright, cool. Now I just put my sell a little bit higher. Maybe about $31. I may grab another one. I would have grabbed another one, but this is kind of too high for me. But going back to what I said, I feel like a lot of people instantly shorted, so this may be support now. I could be wrong too, we'll see. Is my screen frozen? How do you know when to take profit if it breaks the current day levels? You can just scale out. So if I just have one micro, I just take whatever I can. Like I'm satisfied $30 with one micro. If I had like 3 micros, I mean, ideally would just be scale out into trailer stop. Let's say I had 3 micros right here, scale one out here, and just mark out like levels where people might have stops. So you're on the 15-minute. Just like sell either go highs at these 15-minute levels, or just trail your stop. This must be my quarter.
Order filled.
Yeah, do you see what I mean? I don't know. Like that mentality was just me years ago. I just reversed what I would have done. And we never went back. Like if I would have shorted here, we never went back to entry and I would still be holding like an idiot.
Yeah, but now I don't know, man. Like it's too high too long, too risky too short. We are sweeping all of this liquidity though now. The last one we have is right here, which we're about to hit. Oops. Then we have a small gap. I would imagine when you're resistance just based on a daily. Yeah, I don't think we should go just Monday's high. I feel like it would make more sense to trend sideways for a few more days. Collect either more shorts or more longs, and then for us to break out. I feel like today would be too soon. Oh, Merso, you finally joined the stream, huh? Imagine if you joined the stream and took those calls instead of complaining. Alright, we just swept all this liquidity now. So we have this gap on candles. Bitcoin all time. No, but not necessarily. I mean, so anyone that had stops here Yeah, we did sweep them, right? But this could keep pushing up. The only time we know if it was an actual sweep is if they reverse this and a market structure shift is formed. So that means you would need like a 5-minute candle at least. And I don't think that's gonna happen. Like you need a 5-minute candle to engulf the previous one. So let's say the next 5-minute opens. It's opening in 20 seconds. This 5-minute would have to close below this one. On Q's, it's $1.20 lower. It doesn't look like a sweep to me right now until we get that closure below. So that's why I'm saying like shorting this is risky because we don't know. This could just continue. Oh yeah, yeah. My past self would have been, I would have been blown in like 15 minutes. That's crazy. It's almost 100-point move higher. Even one micro that would have been pain. The website gets updated instantly as soon as Excel sheets are updated by me or Fungus. I don't think I updated it yesterday. I think Spungus is only gonna do it like end of Friday. Yeah, I didn't post my trade yesterday yet. I guess I can do it right now and tell me if updates. Is this for day? Wow, it did it in 2 days. It's worth it. Like I said, we probably didn't make any updates yet. I'll do a Saturday stream. I don't know. At least shorting here now would be so much better than here. I'll take a gap and just this is just a let's go. I wouldn't be doing this with the minis. So now that we did sweep all of this, I mean you could technically take a risk and hope for a market structure shift. At this point, it would be speculating. There's no confirmation. So with one micro, I'm fine with that. Even 2 micros actually.
Order filled.
percent at this point. This is really a no trade area. I shouldn't even trade this, but I did only one micro. I'm fine with it. Like when scalping, this is fine, but like for an actual trade, it's best to wait for confirmation. Actually, look how this 5 minute went. I think I'll get full here. Confirmations would that be? Would be a market structure shift, man. Look at my TT guys. I'm still updating it, but confirmation would be. Let me get out of this trade. I'll explain it. No, it's not breakup structure too. I don't really care about breakup structure. One sec. Let me get out of this and I'll explain. It's like 11:18.
Order filled.
Alright, so confirmation would be. Let's find something here. Let me just erase that.
Where's NQ on the hourly? Looks like this happened yesterday at 7 p.m. So it wouldn't have showed up in Qs because it was after hours. After this move down and this move up, this hourly candle right here was a market structure shift. It's because it closed above these, or I guess above this one specifically. As soon as this hourly closes below, you can look for a fair value gap or an imbalance. We have this massive one here on the hourly. Technically, this could be your entry. I mean, that's huge. So we can break it down. That's a bit better. This is not optimal, but we technically do have one like right there. But this one I don't really like because it had a lot of fair value gaps. I usually don't. I don't know. I guess the first one is the most important, but it's also down here. So that was your confirmation for long bias. Here was your retest, even on the hourly. After you get a retest, you can actually target the highs, but it could take days to play out, depending on the time frame you're using. So confirmation is after you sweep higher time frame liquidity, an imbalance is formed plus a market structure shift. This is retest. This can work in all time frames, so I'm just using the hourly right now for an example. So I guess now saying that, I guess high on Q it would be next. But like I said, I just don't know if this is gonna happen now or tomorrow or when. As you can see how long it takes for a retest. Like this took 2 days. But you can see this shit even on all time frames, like even the 1 minute. It's what's it called? What's that term that means it happens in all time frames? I forgot. Yeah, it's right. Oh, you guys are so smart, man. I might break these tabs to meet. So when I said it's better to wait for confirmation, I like flipping the chart. It makes it easier for me. So let's go to the hourly again. So we swept all this liquidity. So now for this to be a market structure shift, this next candle has to come and engulf this. So let's say the next hourly opens, it closes above this one, right? And then by then, a fair value gap, which happened, a fair value gap and imbalance would be formed somewhere. And you would just long bear that with your confirmation. And you would just target like opposing liquidity points. But we didn't get the answers. So I guess just saying that, like any trade I'm gonna take is just gonna be scalps in either direction. even if you short now, like we can still come back down here. As long as you have that, mindset of just getting out quickly, trading in either direction, I think should be fine. Oh, I shouldn't take a short now.
Order filled.
Is your strategy for scalping candle retracements? This is basically it. So you wait for a candle to close. This one's pretty bearish. Try to grab
Order filled.
position either on like the 25, 50% or full retracement. And then you can just target the lower anywhere. So this one actually fully retraced, so I was not expecting that. But using the 1 minute is a lot riskier than like the 5 minute. Because the 1 minute is usually noise. Let's see if this works out. Minute and 30-minute open in 3 minutes. This 50-minute actually looks scary if we close here. This, if we keep closing like higher highs, this can keep going. Same with the 30-minute. These, I guess shorts here are a lot more riskier than longs. So saying that, I probably should just maybe scale out this one. I'll just get off here. This 1 minute retraced this. I think I should have moved it a little bit higher. Just missed me by like 50 cents. Link, I took a short, but these are insanely quick scalps. These are not something you should be holding right now. We're not in a good area for either trades. And you shouldn't have a big position at all right now. I'll do 2 micros for now. Just grab profits.
Order filled.
This 50-minute close at a doji. Now the story, I guess, changes now. We'll see how this closes. 1 minute, 30 seconds. This is still technically a doji, so either side can happen now. Let's see the 30-minute. Shorting this, okay, so based on a 30-minute, look how this closed. Shorting this would be so scary because, like, where would you get out? Like, me personally, if I were to short this, like, I'd probably get out like 25% retracement of this, which is like 506 area here. I'm just eyeballing this. I'm gonna just retest it this open too. Do this 2 minutes and I may go for long. Let's see how it reacts here. So this 50-minute maybe can wick this possibly actually. I don't know. Based on this 30-minute, I don't see us retracing fully just yet. We could, but I don't know. They're just very strong bullish candles. I'm gonna try one long here. Nope, that might be too late. I thought I'm gonna quick long here. I'll try. What's the significance of testing? It's just the retracements, right? Every opening and closing is bound to retest at some point. So this 5-minute close, at some point, we're gonna retest this open. Why NQ and not ES? Just for the sake of micros. I like micros and MNQ more. Micros on ES are too little in my opinion. You make less profits. They're both good. But usually I would do ES minis once I build cushion on account. So let's say I get funded and I'm at like
Order filled.
let's say 4,000 or 5,000, and I'll just do ES minis. But for micros, MNQ I think is a lot better. Alright, I got one long. I'll just get out quickly like at $20. Actually may grab two maybe. Let's grab two.
Order filled.
Alright, if this gets filled, that'll be about $40. This 5-minute open pretty good. May grab one more.
Order filled.
We actually may sweet spot these. So now this is liquidity forming, so there's a possibility for us to sweep this and see what happens. But until then, like, as long as this 5 minute keeps closing above here, we should still be good.
Maybe I'll scale one out because I'm in 3. Let me just get out one here. Slightly will break even. Looks like maybe just sweep these lows right here. See how it reacts now. This 5 minute, do not want to close below here. This has to push back up now. We just swipe these stops. And we want this 5 minute to close above. This actually I think should have been good entry. Yeah, I scaled in too fast here. I want it before this is too much.
Order filled.
I lowered my break even, so I have a better chance of getting on break even. I'll get off fully if I have to. Let's fill the mangroves need to drink. See how averaging down is good on micros because I can even get on break even though I had pretty bad entry. I can just mark it out right now and just be done with the trade.
Order filled.
Alright, I'll be right back. Alright, I don't think I'm gonna hit my 1,000. Maybe 600. Should still be fine. I just don't like the area I'm in to be more aggressive. So if we range here a little bit longer, the longer we take here, this could be manipulating bulls now. And eventually reverse. Let's see. No, I think we still need time though. These two candles are very aggressive. They're upside. We're still gonna range a bit more. Or who knows? Maybe we'll take out that high. I mean, this 50-minute closes like this. Looks like we may. 50-minute. We swept this 50-minute. And now we may close higher right now. Yeah, I'm actually leaning a little more bullish now. This missed me by 75 cents. Yeah, I'm more bullish based on this 50-minute closure we just got. We swept this liquidity here. We closed above. So this should be a good sign of a continuation. So I'm gonna see if I can grab these micros alongside. I may not get it. Let's see. If I do get these two filled, once I'll just target the high. The profits at 440. That's not bad with micros, but I don't wanted 1K today. We'll see. But I don't think I'm gonna stream longer than another 30 minutes. Once you get funded, dude, like $400 a day is so good. And that was all within like what, 2 hours?
Order filled.
You know, I'm actually gonna be aggressive.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
I got 4 micros down here. Let me grab it.
Order filled.
Alright, that's 5. I'm not gonna do any more.
long as 5 minute closes above this open, we should still be good. Start closing down here. Be a little bit more wary about the trade. Let's see how this 5 minute closes. It's gonna close above like 511. The next 1 minute. Very nice. They saved it. Literally last 15 seconds. Cool. Alright, where's TP? The smart thing to do is to slowly scale this out until we get the highs. I may be a little bit degenerate and just close them all at the high. That could be. I don't know, I just want to hit 1K. I wait till the high, that's like 35. Maybe about $250. I think we'll go for the high. I like how we're still holding the structure. I mean, I should slowly start scaling out. Like at this 5 minute, maybe like sell one here and above this one. And then the last three like just play out. This is actually probably the smartest move to do. Sell one at this 5 minute retracement, sell another one of this 5 minute high. And put another here, and one above the high. And let one runner because I have 5 micros right now. Oh shit, what did I just do? Did something on my keyboard. My micros is a lot, by the way. Don't scale in like gracefully like I did. Okay, that literally hit me. My audio gone? I didn't hear that. I think it's trade of it's I scaled one at 21.5, 20.5. That was basically this 5 minute retracement. But I really think we keep going for the high now. Nice, KP. Go enjoy your day, man. My audio is gone. What did I click? I think I accidentally hit F4 by accident. Is that like a hotkey to remove the sounds? Your audio's also gone, really? Did I break it for everyone? Anyways, I scaled out another one above this 5-minute high. I love hearing order filled. You fucking killed him. Alright, scaled out another one here. So now I have 2 more. This one, I just put it above the highs. Yeah, I'm just gonna let the last one run and then put like a stop at break even. Not break even, then profits. If I let the last one run, maybe I'll just target this high. You know, I was actually thinking of calling this an 1K account. Damn. I mean, like, got out my phone to like check the option chain. Whatever. How much? 600 bucks. Yeah, this 5-minute close is really good. You should, like, this is almost guaranteed to see the high now. Disclosure. Yeah, I'm glad everyone's switching to futures, man. Dude, honestly, like, fuck options. You know, I made, what should I make from top? I think I made like 45K from Top Step this month. And then I lost 20K in options. I don't know why I keep doing this to myself. I should really just stick to futures and honestly all my profits just put them long term. I'm gonna add some more here actually.
Order filled. Order filled.
I just re-added 2 micros here. Maybe
Order filled.
that was the dip of the move up. So we're back in 5 micros now. That was a 5-minute retracement too. We retouched this 5-minute. This 3-minute hourly is also good. 3-minute looks good. That hourly is just crazy, man. Shorting this, like, yeah, same concept. Where would you get out? These hourly candles. Feeling slow to generate now. I really want to add more, but I have 5 micros. That's enough. So 5 micros. I'm gonna get out. Have 1 order at the high, and then I think I'll let 4 run and just slowly scale out. Like I said, I mean, potentially we may see the high from when was this? Monday? It's not too far off at this point. I hope they instantly push a specific 30-minute. This may be my last trade. Hopefully this we fully get out of these in the next 15 minutes. And then I'll be satisfied. So I can close right now and I'll be up $600. Either I hit my 1K goal up or 1200. This is good. Now we just wait. I actually pull these goal to Monday's high, that'll be 450. No, I won't do this. It is possible though. Should I hold these? So if this does go to high, what I could do, the smart decision to do is just slowly scale out. What I also could do is try to sell at Monday's high and just have a trailing stop and keep moving it up. So at least I would be guaranteed a profit. So let's say we break the high right now. I'll put 5 micro stop and just keep slowly moving it up. Even if it does end up breaking back down, I at least, get all small profits. But I think that's dumb because I'm just targeting a large amount. I'll slowly scale out. I think that's the best decision. However, this 5 minute is not looking too good right now, actually. Let's close a little bit higher. Like here would be fine. A little bit lower. Okay, no, this is good. Never mind.
This 5 minutes should definitely push now. I was gonna close. I'm getting pretty tired. Maybe I'll fully get out of these in the next 10 minutes. Then just call it a day. Since once this 15-minute candle closes. If I close right now, it'll be 600. If I'm gonna close above this. I'll probably put a stop right here. Let's do 4 because this is about to scale out right now. I'm gonna pull up. Okay, so 4.
Order filled.
So I have 4. So I scaled out 1 at the high. I was stopping profit. It wouldn't be much profit, but $24. Then I'm gonna slowly start scaling out of these. 8 fucking traded for me. It looks so shit. Maybe see the 15-minute. They're about to go to the high though. We're so close. Holy shit. This is close back down. Let's go more.
Order filled.
That's one. I have 3 more micros left. Change this. I have days so close. We're like 10 points away. Alright, maybe I'll let the last year run. I'll let the last year run. 5 days. Like 21,560 on Q. Literally 10 points away. guys. Glad you enjoyed.
Stop field.
Yeah, edit fields, increase, whatever. All right, 690. That's not bad. I'm done. This could still go for